My name is Lucien, so I will be teaching IB, International Baccalaureate. Well, before that, I have taught at BMCC, which is the Borough of Manhattan Community College, and also Queensborough Community College, right? That was in 2000, I believe 2002, after 9/11, and then after that, decided to come and teach in high school. And so, in terms of credential, of course, I have a master's degree in chemistry and physics, and also have a master's degree in leadership education. Okay, speaking of the IB has two, I would say two ends. One end, it's the HL with 240 minutes, and then the SL, which is about 150 minutes. The HL will cover 12 units, whereas the SL will cover 8 units. Of course, during the second year, you'll be subject to something that we call the internal assessment, whether you in SL or HL. All right, so at this point I gave you a index card. What I would like you to do exactly like I have you on the board. Name, first name, last name, okay, today's date. And second, I'd like you to just briefly write your hobbies. Number 3, what is your favorite subject, okay? And number 4, your contact. Another thing that I would like you to do also while you're doing that, or after you're done, which is not on the card, is to have your peers or your partner next to you introduce himself, herself, themselves to you, and then you do the same likewise. Right? The purpose here is for you to be able to pretty much introduce your partner rather than you, rather than him or her, or they introducing themselves.
Soccer, golf, video games, reading.
Wait, you know how to golf?
Yeah.
What?
Sure.
That's so cool. Okay.
And then video editing.
Video editing. What's your favorite subject?
Either history or physics or astronomy.
And what's your contact information?
What'd you put for your hobby, Sean?
For my hobby, I put acting and daydreaming.
Okay, you have one.
What about you?
1 to
what is
2
your favorite
minutes.
subject, Otto?
What's your subject? Math and and also physics.
Wait, what do you mean? Lucien, what do you mean contact? Like,
Oh, contact means just what you call your phone number.
oh,
Contact means your phone number, not your address. No one wants to know where you live. Just your number, not your address. So I'll give you 1 or 2 more minutes, and then we're gonna do our first topic. Okay. So while some of you are done, I'm going to give you that. It's force and equilibrium, right? Force and equilibrium. Yes.
Would you like us to do this on our own, or? Can we work in?
No, you gotta work, yes, that's very good. Since it's the beginning of the school year, you gotta do that with your partner, right? So you have two sheets, but you gotta do that together, right? Yeah, I'm gonna collect when you're done, I'm gonna collect the index card. Okay, so for the problem on the handout, please do that with your partner. So it says, force in equilibrium. Let me state that we do have equilibrium when the F net equals 0, right? So equilibrium means the F net equals 0. Normally, if there's no equilibrium, we have F net equals MA. And in this case, the problem that I gave you is F net equals 0. So it means that the sum of all the forces must be equal to 0. And in doing so, you got to find the magnitude of F1 and the angle between